Are you looking for the best bike repair toolkits? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best bike repair toolkits that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Lumintrail Bike Repair Tool Kit. This kit from Lumintrail has some of the best bike tools you can ask for at a bargain price. It's lightweight and compact, so you can even pack it and take it on bike trips with you if you need to. Every tool and part has its own location within the case, and everything is well organized and snaps into place. This toolkit looks compact, and it is, but it still has everything you need. While you can expect to find things like a pedal wrench, headset wrench, open-ended wrench, cone wrenches, chain tools, hex wrench, hex keys, screwdriver, tire levers, tire tube repair, and a tire pressure gauge. This 42-piece set is all-inclusive and covers every potential need that you might come across on the road. The kit can work with mountain bikes, road bikes, BMX bikes, fat tire bicycles, and nearly every other kind of bike you might use. This set is well made with carbon steel and high-quality plastic put together for quality tools that will last. It's incredibly budget-friendly to be so well stocked. This is the perfect portable starter bike toolkit. The only downfall is that the freewheel tool appears not to fit well and may need adjustments. About these products. Bicycle Repair Kit. Includes bike tire patch kit, pedal wrench, bike chain whip, headset wrench, round spoke wrench, tire levers, open wrench, freewheel remover, collarless crank tool, hex key wrench set, L-hex key wrench with square adapter, L-shaped auxiliary wrench, chain rivet extractor, bottom bracket tool, hub cone spanners, tire pressure gauge pen, and 2-in-1 screwdriver. Variety of tools. Bike toolkit that offers a 42-piece set of repair tools generally used on most bikes, housed in a custom molded box case. This multi-tool bike kit is ideal for any home bicycle mechanic who wants the ultimate portable toolkit. Number 2. Bikehand Pro Complete Bike Repair Tool Kit. This kit is the best bike tool kit on the market. It has a little bit of everything plus an additional torque wrench that is typically not included in your kits. This kit comes in a very nice toolbox that has a carrying handle and trays to keep you organized. In this kit from Bikehand, you will find everything you need, including hex wrenches, brackets and bracket tools, chain wear indicator, crank wrench, open-end wrenches, bearing grease, chain cleaner, nut wrench, chain tools, spoke wrench, and so much more. This kit truly has a little bit of everything, particularly the most common tools that are needed for bike care, cleaning, and maintenance. Also, this is a great kit to have at home. It's probably too bulky to take out on the road with you. Bikehand is known for producing premium bicycle parts and accessories. All of their products are designed by bicycle experts, and you simply can't go wrong with this wide selection of options. There are even several specialty tools in the kit at an affordable price. What do customers have to say about the performance of the tools offered by Bikehand? Well, if you're not super passionate about meddling around with your bike, you'll probably have no idea what to do with all these tools. But if you like repairing your bike and often find yourself repairing other people's bikes as well, this kit may come in handy. Some people complained about the lack of essential tools, like the nose pliers, which are used for pulling cables tight. Bikehand Pro Complete Bike Repair Tool Kit at a glance. Tool count, 37 pieces. Case, storage carry case. Weight, 16.5 pounds. Other, 2-year warranty. Number 3. Bikehand 17-piece Bicycle Repair Tool Kit. If you're looking for the best portable bike tool kit, then this is the one for you. This is a small and affordable kit that is perfect to take on the go. You simply can't go wrong with a compact repair kit. This kit is designed for maintenance and repairs primarily, which is why it's a great option for portability. The kit comes with a 2-year warranty, so you know it's made with quality products that will help you out when you're in a pinch. This kit includes the tools for basic repairs as well as a torque wrench. Some of the tools you will find are chain tools, nut wrench, screwdrivers, brackets, pedal wrench, cone spanner, crank tools, spoke wrench, and more. The tools in the kit that we are happy to see included are the chain whip, lock ring remover, crank puller, pedal wrench, BB wrench, chain splitter, and the torque wrench. The torque wrench is the same as the one in the bigger kit. It, therefore, has the same problems of not being the most accurate or easy to use. No surprises here. This kit, like the larger one, has a spoke spanner that we also think is a useful inclusion. It does, however, come with a caveat. If you're replacing broken spokes or just tightening an obviously loose spoke, they're a great idea. The hard case is durable and designed to last. You get a selection of tools that will help you out in a time of need. The kit is lightweight, which backs up the classification of being a great travel case. You can't beat this affordable and portable bike repair kit. Number 4. Deckey Bicycle Repair Tool Kit. The Deckey Tool Kit contains 48 tools that are here to help you with repairing brakes, lights or chains. The tools are made of premium carbon steel and plastic, and they are versatile enough to be used for other around-the-house repairs which are often needed. Once you open the dust gray case that houses all the tools, you will discover the following: 5 cold patches for tire repairs, 1 freewheel removal tool, a chain rivet extractor, a forged spike adjuster, a bottom bracket cup wrench, a pedal wrench, an adjustable lock ring spanner, 1 cartridge BB tool, 1 wrench and 1 L handle, 1 crank arm removal, 1 Phillips flathead screwdriver, 1 open-end wrench, a tire pressure measurement pen, a chain whip and 1 headset spanner wrench. However, the actual durability of the tools is questionable. It would appear they are made of some form of cheap metal and end up being warped or broken quite rapidly. Long story short, a decent bike tool kit will never be cheaper than $100, and some of the most professional ones can go up to $500 and even $800. So, if you want something cheap, don't expect high-quality materials and forever-lasting tools. Pros: has the tools required for fixing flat tires, except for the pump, lights, brakes, pedals, etc. Case provides convenient storage for the tools. Number 5. Venzo Premium Bike Repair Tool Kit. Not only is this 37-piece toolkit one of the best road bike toolkit options out there, it's also great for home repairs as well as taking to the races or any other biking activities. The kit has a little bit of everything and was made for professional use, but it is simple enough for home use. These high-performance tools contain everything you could possibly need for care, repairs, and maintenance. The case itself is durable plastic, and each tool fits snugly into place in a soft foam setting that protects each piece even in rough times. In this kit, you will find tools like sockets, hex keys and wrench, tire levers, open-end wrenches, chain tools, crank tool, freewheel turner, crank tools, and a blow case, amongst other things. The case is lightweight and organized, making it simple and convenient. Venzo Premium Bike Repair Tool Kit at a glance. Tool count: 37 pieces. Case: foldable snapping case. Weight: 6.4 pounds. Other professional cycle tools. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.